Hey whales, good morning. Happy Friday. It's March 21st. Let's go over and break down NVIDIA for today's trading session. So let's dive in. For this month so far, been doing pretty well. Up about 13K in USD, right, month to date. So yeah, ahead of schedule. Typically I try to aim for 7K a month. That covers all my bills and expenses as a full-time trader. So doing okay. Now, if you guys want my actual trades, day trades, swing trades, right, come join Discord, right? I provide all my day trade ideas every single day. If you're more so a swing trader and don't have time to day trade, right, we have swing trade signals all across the Discord as well, right? So everything for you. So come join. I'll see you guys there. So with that said, let's break down let's break down NVIDIA. So I have two different scenarios, right? Let's go over the bullish scenario where we have a wave 3, 4 coming down, and this is the bottom, guys, all right? So let's say this was the absolute bottom. How are we going to play this? Well, if I look at the 4-hour time frame, again, 3 down to the 4, we're looking at a potential 1-2 in blue, right? So we're looking at a 3-wave move, a WXY coming down for potential long here, right? So you can take a look on the 30-minute time frame, right? If NVIDIA can sort of come down a bit, right? This would be a beautiful long around that 114 down to 110 level with an invalidation underneath the lows, right? So you would have your stop loss underneath the lows if you're bullish on NVIDIA and try to take a long on a 3-wave move, right? 1, 2, 3 coming down. For a chance higher. Okay, so that's basically what I'm looking at. If you're looking at NVIDIA, let's take some swing highs to swing lows as well. So if NVIDIA does come down for today, you're looking at maybe 112 down to 107 as a buy zone, right? So that's sort of what you're looking at, and that's sort of the bullish case. Now again, there is a bearish case where we could get a double correction and come down one more time, right? And that's more so a WXY, so a W, right? An X signifying a failed impulse coming down for a Y wave. And this is definitely on the table because as you guys can see, we have this trend line that's cutting across, right? So if NVIDIA does sort of dip, holds the low, but then comes up, gets rejected from that trend line, expect it to come down closer to, let's say, $90 down to 75, right? This is a beautiful buy zone for a chance in the future to get NVIDIA cheaper. So this is sort of what I'm looking at if NVIDIA does break down into the future, okay? So we'll get there, right? If we do break the lows, don't worry, I'll keep you guys updated every single day. But until then, guys, let's call it the lows for now, right? The lows for now, we have an invalidation level, right? So if price does break below that invalidation level, right, we have to sort of recount this to see what's going on, okay? So again, if you guys want my day trades, if you guys want my swing trades, come join Discord. We have everything for you guys ready to go. And I'll see you guys there. All right. Talk to you guys soon.